ChatGPT vs Claude. Who wins in 2026? ChatGPT or Claude? If you are trying to pick the best AI assistant in 2026, you are not alone. This is the debate that is splitting the AI community right down the middle. Both tools have gotten massive upgrades. Both have die-hard fans, and both claim to be the best, but only one can win for your specific needs. Today, I am going to settle this once and for all with a head-to-head comparison across 5 categories. No fluff, no bias, just honest testing. The Contenders. Let us set the stage. ChatGPT by OpenAI is the veteran. It launched the AI revolution back in 2022 and has been evolving ever since. In 2026, it offers GPT-4o as the base model, with the o3 reasoning model for complex tasks, style, image generation, custom GPTs, advanced data analysis, web browsing, and a massive plugin ecosystem. Pricing starts free, with Plus at $20 per month and Pro at $200 per month. Claude by Anthropic is the challenger that has become a serious contender. Built with a focus on safety and nuanced understanding, Claude has carved out a loyal following among developers, researchers, and writers. In 2026, Claude offers the Claude 4 Sonnet model as standard, with Claude 4 Opus for power users. It excels at long context tasks with a massive 200,000 token context window, has superior coding abilities, and offers an artifacts feature that lets you generate and preview code, documents, and visualizations in real time. Pricing is competitive at $20 per month for Pro. Category 1, Writing Quality. ChatGPT scores an 8 out of 10. It writes fluently and adapts tone well, but it tends to be verbose and can feel generic. It sometimes over-explains simple points and under-explains complex ones. Claude scores a 9 out of 10. Claude writes with remarkable clarity and nuance. It understands context deeply, maintains consistent voice, and produces prose that feels more natural and less formulaic for blog posts, emails, and creative writing. Claude is simply better. Winner. Claude. Category 2, Coding and Technical Tasks. ChatGPT scores a 7 out of 10. It can write code in most languages and debug reasonably well, but it sometimes produces outdated patterns or misses edge cases. The O3 model improves this significantly, but is only available on higher tiers. Claude scores a 9 out of 10. This is where Claude absolutely shines. Developers consistently rate Claude as the best AI for coding. It produces cleaner code, catches subtle bugs, understands complex code bases, and the artifacts feature lets you see output instantly. If you are a developer, Claude is the clear choice.
Winner, Claude.
Category 3, Data Analysis and Research. ChatGPT scores a 9 out of 10. The advanced data analysis feature is outstanding. You upload a spreadsheet and it generates charts, identifies patterns, and creates reports within seconds. It supports Python execution in the background, which means real computation, not just text generation. Claude scores a 7 out of 10. Claude can analyze data well and has improved significantly, but it lacks the built-in code execution environment that makes ChatGPT so powerful for data tasks. You can work around it, but ChatGPT is just smoother here. Winner, ChatGPT. Category 4, Creativity and Brainstorming. ChatGPT scores a 9 out of 10 with DALL-E image generation. Custom GPT-S for specific creative workflows and a vast plugin ecosystem, ChatGPT is a creativity powerhouse. You can generate images, create music with Sono integration, design presentations, and brainstorm ideas across multiple specialized GPT-S. Claude scores a 7 out of 10. Claude scores a 7 out of 10. Claude is creative with text, but lacks image generation and has a smaller ecosystem. Its brainstorming is thoughtful and nuanced, but the toolset is more limited. Winner, ChatGPT. Category 5, Price and Value. ChatGPT scores a 7 out of 10. The free tier is generous, but Plus at $20 per month only gives you limited access to the best features. Pro at $200 per month is very expensive. The value depends heavily on how much you use the premium features. Claude scores an 8 out of 10. At $20 per sim for Pro, you get the full Claude 4 Sonnet experience with that massive context window. It feels like a more honest deal. No $200 tier to unlock the real power. Winner, Claude. Final verdict. The total score is ChatGPT 40 out of 50 and Claude 40 out of 50. A tie, but that is actually the perfect result because it means the right choice depends on who you are. If you are a developer, researcher, or writer who needs the best text and code quality, go with Claude. Its writing nuance and coding prowess are unmatched. If you are a content creator, marketer, or business owner who needs an all-in-one creative suite with data analysis, image generation, and a massive ecosystem, go with ChatGPT. The plugin system and custom GPT make it the Swiss Army knife of AI tools, and if you can afford both, use them together. That is what the smartest users are doing in 2026. ChatGPT for creative production and data analysis. Claude for writing and coding. It is the ultimate AI stack. Check the description for links to try both tools. Hit subscribe for daily AI tool content. This has been Patapo. AI will see you in the next one.